47 years old. He was born on January 1st, 1972. Happy birthday, Winston! Aww. Leslie loves her little mama. What's her mama's name?
Kokomo.
Kokomo!
Coco.
Who needs a stroller? Nobody.
And that's Daddy Winston. He has 3 other kids here, and then he has one at the zoo in San
He's
Diego.
getting a piggyback ride.
He doesn't care about that.
Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. Look at that little baby lemur. Hi, baby. Look, the baby's feet are hanging out of its pouch. Aww. Have you ever seen the backside of a waterfall? This is it.